Our possession was a cow. One day, Jack's mother asked him to take to go to market to sell. Woo! We are sorry to have to sell you, Daisy. Woo! Is that coming towards us? He's dressed in very fine clothes. I don't think I ever seen this man around here before.
Good day, young man. Are you taking your cow to market?
Yes.
I have left the market as I couldn't find a cow to buy. Today must be my lucky day.
I think it must be my lucky day.
Do this what?
I thought you'd be happy, Father.
Happy? Happy? Those are a precious gold, some colorful beans.
Not just any beans. They are magic.
Magic? Nonsense! No, we want nothing to eat. Go to the bed, Jackie! Jackie, look outside your window!
Jackie looked outside his window and saw a giant beanstalk. Am I dreaming? How? Where? Why?
Jack and Otzi, his mother told him not to, but he climbed it anyway.
She climbed higher and higher and higher, and when she got to the top, she saw a huge castle. Wow! Everything is massive here. I wonder who lives here.
Then Jack heard a noise and went to hide. Fee-fo-foom! I smell the blood of an Englishman! Fee-fo-foom! I smell the blood of an Englishman!
Treat and light at what height?
Lay! Sing!
The heart began to sing a beautiful lullaby. Then the giant fell asleep. The gigant raccoon went in him.
What was that? Fee-fo-foom! I smell the blood of an Englishman! You come here!
Ah! Jack climbed down the beanstalk as fast as he could. The giants come after him.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You be ready.
Jump, Jackie! Jackie, you're safe!
Thanks, Father. I jumped onto the soft hay. Then I heard a big splash. I think the giant fell into the sea. Look, Father, a hen with lay golden eggs, and a heart that sings the most beautiful song. And as for the giant, he was never seen again.
And Jack and his father lived happily ever after.
We will never be hungry again.